if you get this message in Elden Ring which says failed to acquire parental control information, and this occurs in most cases in PS5 users. So whether you get this on PS5, Xbox or PC, now listen to this video very carefully. Now the first step you need to try, if you're on PS5, check if the PlayStation servers are down. Now this link will be available in the description so that you can check easily. You just need to go to status.playstation.com. As you can see right now, all services are up and running and they are not down. Now, if you found they are down, we'll need to wait for a few hours until their servers are restored. Now, since they are running, now these are the steps you need to try in order to fix this problem. The first step you need to try, restart your game. Try closing the game, turning off your PS5 or PC, then turn it back on and reboot the game. So, restart your game, try closing the game, turning off your console or PC, then turn it back on and rebooting the game. Now, if restarting your game doesn't fix your issue, let's go to the second step, which is try accept the data user agreement. Now, to accept the data user agreement, just launch the game, go to system settings, navigate to online settings, and accept the data user agreement. So, launch the game, go to system settings, navigate to online settings, and accept the data user agreement. Now, if accepting data user agreement doesn't fix your issue, now set DNS servers manually. Now, to set DNS servers manually on your PS5, just go to settings, then network, then settings, and then set up internet connection. Go to your connected network and press the options button. Select advanced settings. Now set DNS to manual. And then enter the DNS as you see it here on the screen. So just enter 1111 as primary DNS, and then enter 1001 as secondary DNS. So set DNS servers manually. Go to settings, then network on your PS5, then select settings, and then set up internet connection. Go to your connected network and press the options button. Now, if you're on PC, it's very easy to set it up. You just need to look on how to set DNS servers manually. On your PS5, you just need to go to settings, then network, then settings, and then set up internet connection. Go to your connected network and press the options button. Select advanced settings and set DNS settings to manual, and you'll enter these ones, which are 111 as primary DNS and enter 1001 as secondary DNS. Now, if it all fails and you followed all the steps correctly, now the last step you need to do is rebuild the database. Turning off your PS5 completely, press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep about 7 seconds. Connect your controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. Select rebuild the database from the safe mode menu. So this is the best guide on how to fix this issue on Elden Ring, which says failed to acquire parental control information. And in most cases, it occurs for PS5 users. So this guide is specifically for PS5, but if you're on PC, you can try to look on this information and try to follow up on yourself. But in most cases, it occurs for PS5 users. So if it helped you, let me know in the comment section and see you next time.